Welcome back to Shop Talk with Shock. Now today we are going to powder coat and sandblast. So we are first going to put our object in the sandblaster, then put the gloves on. Then you grab the gun, spray it a few times just in case, and start spraying your object. We're using a wrench here. Then we're trying to make sure all the paint is gone. So we have this 50mm wrench with the Raleigh color glue and different parts of the components to your powder coating system is your gun, your voltage clamp, and the button that turns on the voltage. What we're going to do is first take the hose, and it should be at 10 psi. No lower, no higher. Clean out your gun. Make sure there's no extra powder coating from different colors in case it gets mixed with your new one. Make sure that's clean out. Then pop this off. Connect it to your gun. Next, take your powder coat, connect it to this. It has a built-in lid right here. You can fit those and screw it on tight. Set it aside. Take your wrench, place it on the piece of metal you can put inside the ovens. Typically the smaller one, connect it to the ground. On either side, don't connect it straight to the object that you're powder coating. Now take your button, and this will send electrical signals to your piece of metal, which makes the powder coat stick to the metal object. Press the button and lightly press the trigger, and as you can see, it will start coloring. Make sure it's an even spread of the powdered coat. Now you can disconnect your clamp, carefully move it to the oven, and make sure it's set to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Then have it go for at least 20 minutes.